In this video, I'll show you how to close high-ticket clients using GoHighLevel. Step 1. Position yourself as a premium solution. High-ticket clients don't buy tools, they buy results. Use GoHighLevel to show them how you can automate their marketing, capture leads, and increase revenue. Step 2. Leverage case studies and demos. Build a simple demo funnel in GoHighLevel and walk prospects through how it generates leads and nurtures them automatically. Seeing is believing. Step 3. Highlight ROI, not cost. Instead of saying this service is $2,000, frame it as this funnel can generate $10,000+ in sales. GoHighLevel's report and dashboard makes this easy to showcase. Step 4. Personalize the pitch. Use GoHighLevel's CRM to track each prospect's pain points, then tailor your offer to solve their exact problems. Step 5. Bundle services with more value. Don't just sell a funnel. Include email automation, SMS follow-ups, and booking systems. Clients are more likely to pay high-ticket prices for an all-in-one solution. Step 6. Close with confidence. High-ticket clients want to work with someone who's certain. Use GoHighLevel as proof that you have the tools and system to deliver results fast. And that's how you turn GoHighLevel into your secret weapon for closing high-ticket clients. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.